Oh, hello.
Hey.
Do you want some popcorn for the movie tomorrow?
Popcorn?
Yeah?
I like to eat slime. Why don't you like to eat slime?
Ew. Because chicken slimy like chicken soup.
Chicken soup is not slime. Chicken soup is healthy and everyone should eat it when their mother makes it for them.
But I don't like slime soup. But I don't like slime soup.
I love slime soup.
Oh, come on, Daddy. I hate slime soup.
What about slime pancakes?
Not slime
There's
pancakes.
slime burgers.
The slime burgers, Dad. That's gross. I like chicken soup. Oh. Not the royal kiss. Now you get to our soup.
Hey! Hey, buddy. What's up? Oh! Wow.
Enemy. It's the monster. Run away, it's the monster. It's a monster, dude.
Hey, kitty.
Now I'll bite your face off. I'll bite your face off.
No, stop. Hey. Meow.
I'll bite your face off.
Anyway, I'm gonna go get my slime.
And now you're gonna eat my chicken soup.
Ooh, a little baby. Hi, baby.
Stop it, who hurt you? Who hurt you
Little
already?
baby, be gentle. Everybody be gentle.
It's a baby. It will destroy you. I have to cuss it.
Excuse me?
It's a bad baby. It will destroy us.
No.
Yes.
Love us and play with us forever.
It would be us
Why are you
dead.
talking in my mouth?
Because
Get out of my
it's
mouth.
poisonous, baby.
Get out of my mouth.